blue tack off the floor. See, Sam thinks it's impressive that Cameron was cleaning the floor, but I actually think it's more impressive that Sam's vacuuming. She hasn't actually told us why she's vacuuming yet, but it may have been she broke something. Antony's working already, and this is another shock because it's only just gone 9 o'clock. Let's see what's happening to the rest of the team, shall we? Actually, let's wind them up. 1, 2, 3. She didn't even see it.
Spectator.
Let's get Nicole as well. Should we see what Nicole's doing? Go and spray Nicole. Give us some. Hi Nick. We're just seeing how active everybody is. You said to me you wanted me to start the video.
Hey, but I just happened to be in it.
Yeah. Oh, you mean you didn't want to be seen that you actually do work for a living? Sam's still vacuuming. I don't know what's going on with Sam. Oh look, Cameron's looking intelligent. Typing really fast. Oh no, Cameron's actually looking to see if he has won the EuroMillions. That'd be funny. Sam's actually only doing this because she can. Whoop, 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 whoop.
11, no, 17, no.
Oh, it won't stretch that far. Oh well, so you didn't win the EuroMillions, Cam.
Get back to work then.
There's a slight flaw in this. The jackpot is less, but there wasn't a winner